Hi guys! So a lot of you have had many fitness related questions, from really common ones like how do I lose fat in my thigh area to the holy grail of questions that women everywhere cherish, how do I get a flat belly? But my favorite will always be the downright weird ones like how do I get sexy knees or how do I get an elegant nose? Because these make me wonder if all that is even possible. But for the rest of your questions, here are some answers that I hope you'll find really helpful. So the first question is, how do I lose pregnancy weight? Now the fact is that weight loss, however you put it on, has to do with a lot of effort put in to work it off. But the thing is that is slightly different with pregnancy weight. This is because your body has just been through an awful lot. I mean, giving life is not something you do every day. So in light of that, you have to make sure that you do not put too much pressure on your body and don't be so hard on it to heal before it's time. So firstly, what you need to do is get a good amount of sleep. Now I know that's really difficult with like a screaming baby whose priorities need to come before yours. But the fact is that when you don't sleep, a tired body releases the stress hormone known as cortisol. And cortisol is known to promote weight gain. So you should be getting a lot of sleep either way, because even if you are not rested, you are less likely to be more energetic and put in an effort towards an actual workout. Secondly, with all evidence to the contrary, do not go on a brutal diet that deprives you of all your favorite foods, because you're going to be stressed out enough anyway without adding starvation to your list of woes. What you can do, however, is eat a lot of superfoods. These are foods that are rich in nutrients and low in fat and calories. So you can eat milk, dairy products, fish, chicken and beans. In addition to all this, you've got to remember to move it. Anything that gets your heart rate up or that gets your blood pumping works. Maybe take a brisk walk, and if you've got nowhere to leave the baby, you have to strap the baby into its stroller and take it with you, because you're a new mom now, so multitasking becomes one of your superpowers, so you might as well get used to it. So the next question is, how do I gain weight? Now this is as important a question as how to lose weight, because being underweight is as unhealthy as being overweight. Now you would think the answer to this one would be a completely delicious one, because being underweight gives you a free pass to like swim in a chocolate river while it rains gummy bears, stringy cheese and french fries. And while this is more or less the remedy, you can't suddenly start stuffing your face with such high calorie foods because your body isn't used to it, so it could be unhealthy. So what you can do is start eating more and at regular intervals, so that your body is trained to know that it's going to need to expect a lot more food from now on. Some good examples of foods you can eat to gain weight are milk, eggs, fruits like banana and mango, and of course the trusty potato has always got your back every time you need to gain a couple of pounds. The next question is about permanent weight loss tips and something that keeps the weight off and that's easy to maintain. Now the best tip I can give you for weight loss is not to go on these crash diets and intense workouts all at once, because all that does is put an insane amount of stress on your body, and the level of starvation you reach at that point just makes you crouch in a corner ready to growl at anyone who has the audacity to ask you if you would like a snack or ask you if you're alright. The healthiest way for you to lose weight is to lose weight gradually, not all at once. So try to eat right. Do not try to eat less. What you can do is make sure that you do not eat carbs after 5 o'clock. Just completely cut those out of your diet when you reach the late evening. And what you must do is definitely give yourself an hour a day to work out. So first, you have to focus on some cardio, so it'll help you to shed the weight, and then you can focus on toning up that muscle. The next question is tips on how to get good hair. Now I know this one isn't particularly related to fitness, but it is one that I do get a lot. So listen up, because I'm about to give you some seriously cool tips. This one's going to make you feel like Rapunzel's hair double flipping her hair in a shampoo commercial. Now I'm sure some of you hair geniuses have already heard of this one, but it is something that I find to be truly effective whenever I use it on my hair. So what you need to do is take 2 tablespoons of gelatin, and you can just take a measurement according to how much hair you have. It doesn't have to be 2 tablespoons. Mix it with your shampoo and then apply this mixture onto your scalp and onto the rest of your hair and massage it into your scalp. Let it sit for 3 to 4 minutes and then rinse and watch the magic. Try not to use a conditioner after you do this, because what that might do is wash off the gelatin altogether. I hope you found these tips really helpful. Try making fitness a priority in your life, because remember, you don't get the butt you want by sitting on it. So stop wishing and start doing.